So today I've got some accessories from my good friend at Yeslak. These are going to be accessories for the Model Y Juniper. And so this here, it's going to be for those of you that want sunshade protection, but you don't want to go too hard. This is a very simple one that simply goes on. So it's a fabric mesh sunshade, and that's that. So this, I believe this will go in the back. You can see the cutout there. And so the silver part goes up, and so you're seeing this part on the inside, and it's got these clips that you use to hold it in. Like I said, it's light is just mostly just trying to reflect the heat away. So it's not your electrical or folding type. And if you want to put it away, it's very simple. That's it. Simply grab two ends and you twist, and it will fold into this little V/butterfly type shape, and you can put it away. So summer months, this might come in handy. Okay, so I've taken out the sunshade stuff from their bags, and it comes in this two set. It's like a set of, like, I guess it's two halves, right? Front and back. You also have these clips in here. You get a set of 16 clips, and this is what goes into your headline. And so you put this into the headline, and this will basically hook to the edge of this. So I'm going to open up one of this. All right. So the clips are two types. You have clips that's got double angles. This one will go in between the two sunshades. Let's show you what that looks like. So silver, both sides up. The clip with two sides, you basically are going to put it one in there, and the other one goes in there. This is just testing purposes, but basically there we go, just like that. That's how you hold the two sides up. This is going to be to the roof, so you won't see this. That's it. And then if I come back around and I show you now, if you look in the back now, you can see there are no gaps. You can just simply push in, and you can still see the light that I have behind. So you still have some light coming through. Tomorrow I'm gonna go out, put this car in the sun, and I'm gonna measure the temperature in the car and see what it feels like in the car, and then be able to tell you how well this works. But yeah, that's how you install this Sunshade. Again, summer is coming up here. I think if you want something that's very simple to install, nothing too crazy, hard to take off, put in, or just to, have temporarily, it's a very good effect. It's very light, very easy, very simple, from Yeslak. All right, so I've got both cars. They've been sitting in the car for some time now. They are both tinted the same way, 20% in the front, 20% in the front of both of them. They both have windshield tinted. This one has the sunshade on. This one does not. So I'm going to open the garage. Just gonna do. Let's change this thing here to say surface, and I'm gonna measure the. This says it's 123.5. That's the center console. The seat 120.5. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the roof. The roof is 140.9. That's what it says in here. Just another spot over here in the middle. 123. So 123 in here. Roof is 140. Now let's do this car that's got. So you can see this one here has the shade on. So same thing here. This is 125, 123. If I put this on here, it's 120. Let's judge the seat. It's 113. Let's pause this music. So the seat is 113. This armrest here is 118. The center console here, 120. Let's check the roof. It's 121. So the roof is 121 in here compared to the one that was 140. Everything here is a little bit, tad bit cooler. But that's the comparison between the two cars. So again, Yeslak has a ton of accessories for your Model Y, your Model 3, Model S, Model X, basically all the Tesla lines. Yeslak.com, they have something for everybody. Especially with the new Juniper model, they've got a lot of stuff that's out there already that fits Juniper. So if you're interested in finding stuff for your vehicle, definitely check out Yeslak.com. And if you're going to order anything from them, use the link below or use the discount code TIT offer, and that will get you a discount off of anything you purchase from the website. And hopefully this helps you. And if you have any other questions or anything, please put in the comments, share feedback, and we'll see you next time.